Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I've definitely mentioned this before, but if you didn't know, I have a huge shopping problem and that leads to a lot of clothes. And I actually end up cleaning my closet out probably like twice a year, which is definitely more than the average person. And I still have too much clothes and there are so many clothes I just like don't wear. So today I decided to kind of purge myself of all that. And I know it's going to be so hard. I am such a clothing hoarder. I just have such a hard time getting rid of clothes, even if I haven't worn them for like 2 years. I just can't get rid of them. So I thought I would take you guys along today on this little closet purging journey, and maybe this will provide me with a little bit of motivation to actually get rid of my clothes, because there's a lot. So basically I'm just gonna go through all my clothes and decide what I will be donating, what I'm gonna be keeping, and then what I'm gonna be selling. So not sure if I'm gonna do too much of that because I don't really have time to like ship out a bunch of things, but I will try to sell all the good items. So I will link my Poshmark down below if you guys wanna buy some of the things that I choose to sell. So yeah, with all that being said, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so first off, let me take you all on a little bit of a tour of all the places I keep my clothes. So right here I have my dresser, which is probably where I keep like a majority of my clothes. So we got socks, underwear, bras, and bathing suits. And then here I have my school uniform, which I'll be graduating soon. So this drawer will be empty pretty soon. And then down here I have, it's so full. I need to get rid of so much here. We have all my leggings, sweatpants, and athletic shorts, and probably other few things that don't really belong there. And then down here I have all my jeans and shorts and stuff like that. And yeah, clearly this drawer also needs some help, so we're gonna get on that. And then right next to that I just have this little clothing rack, which honestly is just for show, not really gonna touch that. It's just kind of there to look cute. And then right next to that I have this closet, which is mostly not clothes, but it still is a mess. Let's turn this brightness up here. Okay, so clearly, as you can see, this is a very full closet. It's just mostly like not clothes though. Like I have all my camera equipment in here and like some other bags and stuff. So I have a lot of shoes and I don't wear most of these shoes, so definitely gotta get rid of a lot of those. And then also this whole sweatshirt thing right here really needs some help. I don't wear like probably not 90. I probably don't wear like 70% of these sweatshirts, so gotta get rid of a lot of these. And then right here I have like scarves and like tights and stuff like that. Probably won't really touch that too much. And then moving on from that, I have my actual closet with like all of my clothes. So yeah, this is what really needs the most help. Like I don't wear a lot of this stuff. And the sad part is a lot of these clothes either I haven't worn in like 2 years and I just can't get rid of it, or I've worn it like twice maybe, and it's not gonna get another use out of it. So yeah, I need to get rid of all that stuff that I just like don't wear. Yeah. Okay, so I got some trash bags here. I'm gonna go through my swimsuit drawer first. I'm not gonna go through underwear, socks, and stuff like that because I don't know. I mean, I don't mind having like a bunch of mismatched socks. It happens. However, for bathing suits, there is a significant amount of tops here that just don't fit me anymore, and I've had them since like freshman year of high school. So yeah, they need to go, and I'm probably gonna end up selling a lot of these tops just because like they're pretty nice, and I feel like it's not weird to sell bathing suit tops, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, oh my god, this top is from PacSun. I will not fit in this anymore, but I used to be obsessed with this. I wore this all the time. I think it was like 8th grade. It's an extra small. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna sell this one. This one's actually really nice too. I think I'm gonna try to sell this. If you guys are interested in any of the bathing suits that I'm showing here, they will probably be on my Poshmark. I'll have that link down below. Yeah, this isn't fitting anyone anymore. Okay, this one I got from Shein. It's not great, but I wanna try to get some use out of it. It came in like a set and like the bottoms are okay, so, oh actually these are kind of big. I don't know, it was like $5. I'm gonna keep it. Well, clearly there's another half to this zip up suit somewhere. This one I actually just got. It's from Anthropologie. It's actually a bra, but, or a bralette, but I think it's like swimsuit material, so I thought I could get away with it being a swimsuit. Oh, there's the other half here. I feel like I could definitely still wear this. Oh wait, okay. This is like a 5-year-old Target swimsuit bottom. it actually really matches this, so that's great. I never buy the bottoms to bikinis. Like, if I do, if they're from Target, like I never spend the money on them. Okay, this one I'm definitely gonna sell. It's too small for me now, but it's a size 4 from Topshop, but it's like definitely like an A, B cup. So if anyone's interested, this will be listed on Poshmark. Okay, so here's the keep. We are going to either donate or throw away those. I don't know if I can donate swimsuits, but like that's kind of gross. And then these are the ones I'll be selling. So these are all just tops with like hardly any wear of them. So hopefully you guys maybe want to buy those. Now we gotta tackle this legging sweatpants drawer. Okay, so my problem here is I just have a ton of like black leggings. Like they're not even nice leggings, I just have a bunch of them and I don't wear them that often. I mean, I don't need like 10 pairs and I really do think I have like 10 plus pairs of black leggings. So I'm gonna need to get rid of a lot of those. And then the rest of it's just like sweatpants and some pajama pants. I wear like 2 pairs of sweatpants. Like these 2 are the ones I wear. And then the rest of them, like, I don't know, I feel like I can just get rid of those. Like, these are from like Forever 21. I just don't wear these. Let me just count how many pairs of black leggings I can find. So this is the first one, 2, 3. I don't think these are actually mine though, so I'm just gonna put those to the side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I think that's it. 11 pairs of leggings, and I think we got a good pile of giveaway over here. And then I think I'm just gonna keep these ones because these are like the nicer ones. This is definitely a more reasonable amount of leggings and sweatpants to have. And it actually closes now. Okay, so next up I guess would be my jean drawer. And I literally just went through this maybe like 2 months ago. So I don't think I actually want to give away any of these. I think the problem is that I'm keeping jean shorts in here too, which is kind of a lot. So I don't know, I think we're just gonna let this drawer be full for a while, and then once I graduate I can take out all the uniform stuff and just, you know, switch it up a little bit. Yeah, I mean, it's not that bad. Like, I can close it. It's just a little tight. Okay, so now I'm thinking we do shoes and sweatshirts. I definitely had a little bit of a Victoria's Secret pink obsession back in the day, so you're gonna see a lot of those sweatshirts. So yeah, there's a lot of sweatshirts. Okay, well, these are like school things, so I'll keep those for the memories, you know. This is a sweatshirt I cut for 80s Day at school, so I feel like I'm not gonna wear this again. This is getting thrown away. Actually, okay, I'm not gonna throw anything away. I'm just gonna give everything to Goodwill, and if they wanna take it, they'll take it. If they wanna throw it away, probably this, they'll throw it away. I'm gonna sell this. I literally, I never wore this, but it's like, it's brand new, clearly. So hopefully someone is interested in buying this. Oh my god, these used to be so trendy at my school and no one wears them anymore, and I don't wear them anymore. So I'm gonna sell this if anyone's interested. This one's actually really cute. I got this from ASOS maybe like a year and a half ago. So definitely gonna keep that. And yeah, this is just a plain hoodie, so this is keepable too. So this is definitely an improvement. I think it's time I tackle these shoes. Okay, well, first of all, I don't need these Uggs, so go in there. I haven't worn these shoes in about 3 years. I don't wear these anymore. Or these boots either, actually. As you can see, they got a lot of wear out of them. Just not really into them anymore. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of black boots, and I only wear the ones up there, so I think all of these can go. Actually, I'm going to keep those because they're rain boots, and these are also kind of different, so I'll keep those. But these, really not my thing anymore. Okay, I don't wear like any of these anymore, which is why they're so high up. I am now standing on a stool. Okay, so all these are going away. Now I actually have a kind of reasonable number of shoes. So this is is honestly the real problem here. I mean, there is just so much stuff in here I don't wear. This, I wore to my sophomore year formal, and that's it. And I don't think I'll ever wear it again. So starting with the skirts, you guys can't even really see that because it's like over there, but like this whole thing, I think this is the only one that's worth keeping. Like all of these I've had for years and I've worn once. So the good thing about cleaning out all my skirts is I can finally undouble up a lot of these skirts. So yeah, keeping that. These are the kind of skirts that I haven't worn like ever, but I feel like I should still keep because like I might wear them, like because they're so simple. Well, not simple, but like, I don't know. So this is like a very New Year's Eve skirt. I think this might have been the last time I wore that, like sophomore year New Year's Eve. This is just a basic black pencil skirt. I might need that again. Another basic pencil skirt. This one's gray. Also could possibly need again. And this one, like, I don't know, might have like a weird themed party dance thing. Could need this again. So there is me justifying keeping all this stuff. I think I'm gonna keep these. I'm not sure why. Okay, and finally these two skirts, which I will be selling. So dresses here. I have a lot of dresses, and similar to the skirts, I only wear like a couple of them really. So I think it's time I get rid of some. If you couldn't tell, I had like an off-the-shoulder phase. I mean, you'll see with all my shirts. I have so many off-the-shoulder shirts, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sell these two. I don't know why I bought this. Okay, and these three. We got two short prom-ish homecoming dresses. I'll sell these. And this one is a super cheap looking t-shirt dress, which I'm just gonna give away. Okay, didn't do a great job with the dresses, but this is good enough for now, I guess. I have a lot of trouble giving away shirts. I feel like it's definitely one of the things I have the most trouble letting go. But yeah, let's start. Hopefully I don't have a mental breakdown while doing this. This shirt, so I ordered it. I ordered a small. They sent a large. It sold out. I decided to keep it. It is definitely too big on me, but I really like it. I've worn it like once. I don't know. I feel like I should just keep it. Yeah, I'm going to keep it and maybe see if I can get another use out of it because it is actually a really cute top. It's just too big. This is an interesting top. You know, it was like from like a random boutique, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe someone wants to buy this. It's kind of weird though, right? Like I actually wore this a couple of times. I actually did really like it. I just haven't worn it in like a year, so I feel like I should sell it. Okay, well this was for a video. Not gonna wear that. This one I also don't really wear anymore. Also, I had such a peplum top phase. Like, I think this top was like $5. It's so cheap looking and like it's just not good quality, so I'm just gonna give that away. So I got this. I never wore it. Well, no, I wore it in one intro and it was kind of expensive too, and definitely one of the purchases I really regret. Okay, so now we are in the off-the-shoulder section. Yeah, I just don't wear like any of these anymore. Okay, I'm gonna sell this one. This is from Urban Outfitters. It's like a sweater type thing. Here's another sweater off the shoulder top. I'm gonna sell that. This is such a 2016 top. I feel like everyone had this top at one point. Okay, now on to tank tops. I think I'm gonna end up keeping most of these just because they're like such staples. I don't really wear like t-shirts really that often, but I feel like I should keep them like just in case. Like, I mean, when I work out, I wear them. But I don't work out that often, so. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep the t-shirts, so. Yeah, oh my god, it actually looks really nice now. Okay, let me separate this a little bit. So, we got t-shirts, we got tank tops, off the shoulder and strapless tops, blouses and like cardigans and long sleeve shirts back here, and then sweaters clearly. So yeah, okay, we got a lot of big piles over here, but definitely feeling a lot cleaner. Guys, look, we actually did really good. Like, look how much cleaner this looks. Like, it's actually kind of organized now. And then I have all these clothes over here to donate, and then here is the sell pile which I will hopefully get up on Poshmark pretty soon. So yeah, that is it for my spring cleaning video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments down below if you want to see some more kind of casual videos like this. Also, if you are not already following me on Instagram, it is at Ella_Elbells. I have been really trying a lot to get some really great posts out lately and some cool pictures, so you guys should definitely follow me on there. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Bye!